Aloe vera, a natural healing wonder. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its medicinal properties. Its gel-like substance contains a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer numerous benefits for both skin and overall health. Benefits of aloe vera. Skin benefits. Soothes sunburn. Aloe vera's cooling and anti-inflammatory properties provide relief from sunburn, reducing redness and pain. Moisturizes. It hydrates the skin, helping to maintain its elasticity and prevent dryness. Wound healing. Aloe vera accelerates wound healing by promoting skin cell regeneration. Acne treatment. Its antibacterial properties can help combat acne-causing bacteria. Anti-aging. Some studies suggest that aloe vera may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Internal benefits. Digestive health. Aloe vera juice may help alleviate digestive issues like constipation and irritable bowel syndrome. Immune system support. The antioxidants in aloe vera can boost your immune system. Blood sugar control. Some research indicates that aloe vera may help regulate blood sugar levels. Oral health. Aloe vera can be used as a mouthwash to reduce inflammation and promote oral hygiene. How to use aloe vera. Topical application. Apply aloe vera gel directly to the skin for sunburn, cuts, or other skin conditions. Oral consumption. Aloe vera juice can be consumed for internal benefits, but it's essential to choose a reputable brand. Important note, while aloe vera is generally safe for topical use, oral consumption of aloe latex, the yellow sap, can be harmful. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using aloe vera internally or for any medical condition. Would you like to know more about specific uses of aloe vera? Or do you have any other questions?